Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So today, let's talk about how do you talk to other people about them being a part of this amazing Epicure business. So how do you actually talk to people without sounding like you're trying to sell them on joining Epicure, right? Because as a new consultant, then the nice thing is that you will get a $50 Canadian or a $40 US sponsor bonus for every new consultant you do sponsor within your first 3 months. So that's exciting. Now, I tell people just think about it when you were first learning about Epicure. Like, what was the most exciting thing for you? You probably didn't have to have me sell you on it, right? You just knew, like, oh, well, I want to be a part of Epicure for sure because the business kit sounds pretty awesome. You get $400 worth of products for $175 with tax and shipping, and I can make money for basically eating. I can make money making a full-time income or part-time income, whatever, by just sharing my love of Epicure. So that is what you have to think about. I first joined Epicure just simply because, and you probably heard me say this before, but I didn't know what Epicure was at all. I went to a neighbor's cooking class, and I was just amazed at how good things tasted. And yes, this is all a lot healthier than what I can buy from the store. And hey, having to cook it was actually so easy. It took under 20 minutes to prep everything. And oh, they have a steamer that I can cook in the microwave. I can cook a full chicken in 14 minutes. That's just how I became excited. But it was at the time where I didn't have a lot of money to spend, but I wanted everything. And so I just kind of bought a couple things. And then months after that, I was like, oh, wow, okay, I kind of wanted to purchase more, and I just wanted everything. I think that was when a new catalog had come out, and I thought, well, why don't I just get the business kit, because it has everything that I pretty much want in it and then some. And then that's just how I started selling it. I was just I got my business kit in the mail, I took pictures of it, and people started asking me, and then people knew more about Epicure than I did, and they wanted to purchase Epicure from me because I guess their previous consultant had moved or something or was no longer selling. So I thought, sure. And then I was just making money by just sharing Epicure. And I thought, oh wow, so I just made, just $200 from this first cooking class, and I got free stuff. Oh my goodness, this was so much fun. So I wanted to do more and more and more because I was just having so much fun. And I do a lot of my cooking classes online. So I kind of thought, oh my God, this is just so much fun, right? So just imagine you you were pretty much feeling the same way. So everybody else is probably thinking the same thing. You will have people that will go to your cooking classes and they will say to you, oh wow, this is amazing. So like, what does the business kit look like? I kind of want to take a look at that. So that's how they want to get started. A lot of people that I would say who want to join is because they just want to start eating healthy, and it just makes the most sense to be a part of this amazing company because they will get their healthy products for 25% off, 20% off, depending on the level you are pretty much at. And they can share healthy eating with other people. They can be just a part of the whole thing. So just think of yourself as when you were a customer and how you wanted to share your love for Epicure. And I would pretty much say too, like as soon as you host your first cooking class, you will want to host more and more and more because you'll be just making so much money, as silly and corny as that sounds, but that's how it is. And then you will have people come to you saying, oh, can I host my own cooking class? Like, do you actually come to my house? Do you do all of this? And then they might host their own too. And then they might say, well, I kind of want to be a part of this company so that I can help other people host their own cooking classes, because this just sounds awesome and this is exciting and I just had so much fun and my kids love it. Oh my goodness. So I can make my own income from doing this. Let people know that a lot of us say, oh, well, I'll just be a part of Epicure. I'll make some money here and there. I'll make like $200 every couple months. Okay, awesome. But then it's a full-time thing where a lot of us say, well, I don't actually have to work at my other job anymore. I can do Epicure full time. This is so much more exciting and I can set my own hours. Just this is where people get excited. So let them know it is entirely possible. Epicure is pretty much the only one out there that makes it as easy as possible. The more you work, yes, but you will also get so much more, if that makes sense. You could work somewhere else 9 to 5 and say, oh, I haven't gotten a raise for 2 years. Oh my goodness, it's been 2 years, or you can work with Epicure and we literally give you a raise every time you do something, awesome. Like I technically got a raise, so making 3% more commission this month actually, just because I had sold a certain amount and I didn't even know that I did so well per se. I did host about 4 extra cooking classes in a month and they saw that and they gave me pretty much a 3% more commission. And I was like, oh wow, oh my goodness, how did that even happen? So if you do more, you make more. Yet if you work somewhere else 9 to 5, you probably don't even get a thank you. I like hate to say that, but that's probably true, right? And you come home, you're exhausted. Yet if you do Epicure, you can set your own hours, host one cooking class for 2 hours and make the same amount that you would be making in one day working 9 to 5. So 2 hours versus 8 hours. What would you rather do and what is more fun? So think of things that kind of work with people. Like you might talk to somebody who works 10 hours every single day. You might say to them, well, how about you would probably not want to work 10 hours every single day, right? And they would say, yeah, I would rather not, but I have to make the money, right? So you could tell them, well, if you try Epicure, you could probably cut down those hours to hopefully not having to do 10 hours every single day, maybe having to only do like 4 hours every single day. If you do a cooking class every single Saturday for 2 hours, and they would kind of say to you, okay, wait, so I can work, you think, 4 hours at the job that I have now every day, not 10 hours, if I just hold one cooking class every Saturday for 2 hours? Yes, that is possible. You could even do so much more than that. Or you might have somebody saying, well, I don't actually have a job right now. I have 2 kids, but they're ages 6 and 7 now, so I could actually do something, but I don't want to go out in the workforce. So you think I could do Epicure too? Because that cooking class was pretty awesome. Yes, let me show you how. So this is how, and then you can talk to them. And if you're on my team, I can help you talk to them. Like you might say, okay, I have somebody who would like to sign up, but I don't really know how to talk to them about signing up. Can you help me? Yes, yes, I can. It doesn't matter if you live, here, there, anywhere, because we can do everything online. So yeah, you guys. So just kind of think about things that work for them. And if you guys have questions, please just ask me, you guys. You can comment anytime, and I will answer you pretty much right away, because Epicure USA is so exciting. I have been online pretty much all day, every day, the past week or two, to just sort of help everybody with our full launch. And in Canada, we actually have a new catalog coming out in September. So that means our new product pre-order, that's a lot to say, new product pre-order is coming out actually today. So I've been, looking into all of that too. I did attend a new product launch last night. Oh my God, it is awesome. Summer's almost over. I hate to say it, but it's true. I am so excited for what is coming next with Epicure. I cannot say anything because our new catalog is coming out in September, which means for the Epicure US, you will probably have like a holiday catalog of some kind. So just wait and see. You will see, you guys, okay? Thank you so much for listening, and let me know if you have any questions.